Good evening. My name is J Do. Y'all wanna hear some rap? Yeah. Put all the kiddies to bed, put your 3D glasses on. I won't be here for long. Cherish me now. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah. Welcome to the gallows where whack niggas hung to dry. You looking for the crown here, then rap niggas come and try. Watch out for the turbulence, cause now I'm about to murder shit. Mangle from both angles, just understand that it's curtains, bitch. Calamity, yeah, let's all make it a family affair. I swear, not even an anti is spared. Now that's annihilation, go and analyze it, I'm an Arkham patient. Your arch nemesis, lyricist in your apartment basement. Plotting like as soon as he park fast, I'm a dark past and put his brains all over the dash of a smart car blast. I'm Bolo Young, you thinking that it's YOLO, huh? And to a roll up like a yo-yo, son. You claiming you the best place to bid, so I can rearrange your shit. My mind's different, real niggas raise their kids, not take a bid. I'm amazing with making words, creating crazy shit. Soon as my mind calculate with my face to spit. Now that's X-rated, I'm Professor X with some X and a bottle of X-rated. Flexing like I just made it, rappers is stressing like he's just dangerous. Turn you into John Doe and Ludwig Von Flow, niggas is just basic. Partially part of me's missing a part of his heart and artery. So if you asking for mercy, I ain't at all for peace. Nothing you can offer me, I'm just targeting every artist who talking cheap. So soon as I bought the cleats, I was off to eat. The game's mine, I'm a fucking feast. Better look for you cross the street because I'm in my prime and I'm hard to beat. You ain't nice, not at all to me. Just rapping to your yes man and they all too high to hear that guy is weak. 911, 911, you better have them shits on speed dial if I'm gon' come. You against dudes, against who I slice your lungs. You gon' feel like you real nice, so I flow some. This is real deal hustle, niggas better chill. Fuck you, get your drunk bitch off the rebound, call a pill, Bill Russell. They done woke up cracking up, all y'all niggas whack as fuck. Now I hear your raps and rewind it back and start cracking up. Fred Krueger with a knife glove in a nightclub, told her I could be a dream dude if she like blood. You take a sip of Henny, nigga, now you nice cuz all them Toy Stories start to bore me, that's a light buzz. Don't compare me to cats around here. Sweetie Todd got him the illest nigga around here. Truthfully, I could give a fuck about having a crown here, but for debate